After successfully simulating pfSense, we have a complete system setup, including cybersecurity, VPNs, and Wi-Fi sharing. The only remaining task is backing up the pfSense system. Why is backing up the pfSense router necessary? Because the system can crash if new plugins are installed. If the devices don't match, pfSense could be compromised. I've experienced this before, requiring a complete reinstallation. To avoid this, and because the configuration is complicated and time-consuming, it's essential to back up your router security system properly using the following method for easier future management. Once we've set everything up, a very complicated process, we need to back up our router pfSense data. To do this, download the configuration files from the Backup and Restore section. Follow this video. Save the configuration files so we can restore them and reinstall the packages. The size interface will then return to its original state. This is step 1, as I recommended. However, there's another method that will definitely save you from this problem. Copying the original router pfSense files will allow you to access router pfSense immediately without any further configuration. This is the best option I recommend. I'll demonstrate it for you. Now, let's open VMware. Notice where I'm pointing my mouse. It shows the file location. Navigate to that location and copy all the files. We'll copy the main folder separately and place it on your most important drive or storage location to prevent file loss. Now we can restore these files. Let's see how. Once the copying is complete, go inside and it will look like this. Now, you can rename it to pfSense Backup Router or rename it whatever you want. Here, I'll show you the pfSense Router backup file to prove it's working. I highly recommend this method. Copy the file like this once your security system is fully set up. Otherwise, you'll waste days configuring it and still won't finish. This method helps prevent system problems such as file errors or HDD failures. Trust me, doing this will solve everything. Hopefully this video will be helpful to you all. Simple yet effective methods. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and subscribe to support me.